Animals are known to follow predictable patterns, but sometimes nature throws us a curveball. From birds dropping from the sky to fish washing up by the thousands, mass animal deaths have puzzled scientists and sparked eerie theories. Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 unexplained mass animal deaths that still leave us scratching our heads. 10. The Sardine Run, South Africa, 2018. In 2018, millions of sardines washed up along South Africa's shores, carpeting the beaches in silver. While large sardine runs happen naturally, the scale of this event was staggering. Scientists speculated that sudden oceanic changes or predator evasion caused the mass death, but no clear explanation has been confirmed. It remains one of the most mysterious fish die-offs in recent history. 9. The Saiga Antelope Die-Off, Kazakhstan, 2015. In 2015, over 200,000 critically endangered Saiga antelope in Kazakhstan died within days. Almost half the global population was wiped out in this bizarre event. Scientists discovered a bacteria in their nasal passages that became lethal, but what triggered this sudden outbreak is still unknown. The Saiga Die-Off shocked the conservation world, with experts scrambling to prevent another mass extinction event. 8. Redwing Blackbirds, Arkansas, USA, 2010. On New Year's Eve, 2010, thousands of redwing blackbirds rained down over Beebe, Arkansas. The sight of thousands of dead birds covering streets and rooftops was unsettling. While fireworks were suggested as a cause, leading the birds to panic and crash, the sheer number of birds affected makes this theory debatable. The event remains a mystery, leaving the small town with an eerie New Year's memory. 7. The Turtle Die-Off, El Salvador, 2013. In 2013, the beaches of El Salvador were littered with the bodies of hundreds of dead sea turtles. No single cause was identified, though experts considered algae blooms, red tides, or even fishing nets as possible explanations. The event brought attention to the vulnerability of these endangered creatures, but the exact reason behind the die-off remains elusive. 6. The Starfish Wasting Disease, North America, 2013-2014. Between 2013 and 2014, millions of starfish from Alaska to Mexico mysteriously died. They were observed wasting away, literally melting into goo. Scientists found a virus linked to the disease, but why it suddenly became so aggressive remains unknown. The die-off was one of the largest marine epidemics ever recorded, leaving the underwater ecosystem with a significant loss. 5. The Blue Whale Deaths, Chile, 2015. More than 330 blue whales were discovered dead along Chile's southern coast in 2015, the largest mass death of these giants ever documented. Scientists suggested that algal blooms, known as red tides, could have poisoned the whales. However, with so many affected in such a short time, some believe other environmental factors were at play. The mysterious deaths of these rare creatures raised questions about the dangers lurking beneath our oceans. 4. The Pilchard Die-Off, Australia, 1995 and 1998. Millions of pilchards, a type of small fish, washed up on Australian beaches in 1995 and again in 1998. These die-offs stretched along thousands of kilometers of coastline, creating a smelly mess and disrupting local fisheries. Scientists found a virus that could have caused it, but how it spread so rapidly across vast distances remains unclear. The recurring die-offs left Australia with a puzzling oceanic mystery. 3. Bats, Northeast USA, 2007. In 2007, an alarming number of bats in the northeastern United States began dying off, showing signs of a mysterious condition later named white nose syndrome. A white fungus on their noses caused mass disorientation and starvation, but how the fungus spread so rapidly through bat colonies is still unclear. The syndrome has devastated bat populations, with scientists working to save these crucial pollinators and insect eaters. 2. Dolphins, Peru, 2012. In 2012, over 800 dolphins washed up dead along Peru's northern coast. The sudden die-off baffled scientists, who initially suspected oil exploration and sonar testing might be to blame, Some argued that disease or algae blooms could have been responsible, but no conclusive cause was ever identified. The mass dolphin death was a harsh reminder of how little we know about oceanic ecosystems. 1. The Sardine Die-Off, California, 1961. In 1961, thousands of dead sardines were found washing ashore in California's Monterey Bay. The strange event even inspired Alfred Hitchcock's horror classic, The Birds. Witnesses described disoriented birds crashing into windows, suggesting toxins from the fish may have affected both the birds and fish. While scientists suspect a neurotoxin caused the chaos, the exact cause remains unsolved to this day. From birds falling from the sky to whales mysteriously washing ashore, these unexplained mass animal deaths are reminders of how unpredictable nature can be. Which event do you think is the most mysterious? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into nature's strangest occurrences.